Let me give you an example. Corpus Juris Secundum is an encyclopedic set, huge, maybe 100 volumes or more, in our good law library. Corpus Juris Secundum is the complete restatement of the entire American law as reported in all cases. Anything that you would call American law is in Corpus Juris Secundum, period. Under attorney and client, Corpus Juris Secundum says, under the heading of attorney and client, an attorney has an obligation to the courts and to the government no less significant than his obligation to his clients. Thus, an attorney occupies a dual position that imposes dual obligations. His first duty is to the courts and to the government and not to his client. And whatever duties his client may conflict with those he owes as an officer of the court, the former must yield to the latter. If you hire an attorney and you don't like what's happening in the court, then you got nothing to say about it, period. A client is one who applies to an attorney or a lawyer or a counselor for advice in the direction of question of law. So if you hire an attorney, you will become known as a client. A client is also called, quote, a ward of the court, end quote, in regard to his relationship with his attorney. So if you hire an attorney, you're a client. And if you're a client, the law says you are a ward of the court. Why is this important? Because in Black's Law Dictionary, it says a ward of the court is an infant or person of unsound mind. Basically meaning if you hire an attorney, you're an idiot. Why? Because